Thank you for coming. Really appreciate. Oh, Nicole.
We have to reschedule the product meeting because of the 2 o'clock.
Okay, good. Nancy, how's
I'm
this?
sorry I'm running late on this call.
The pace of business.
It's a pivot, or a pivotal moment. Our next step has to be successful, and the only way that we can do that is if we all row in the same direction. I hear you're the startup whisperer. You can really help us turn things around here at Connex.
That depends on how serious you are. How big a leap are you willing to take?
We are ready. The retreat center could change the game here for us.
I'll need to observe a meeting first.
Right, absolutely. This way. And that's the new direction for the upcoming quarter. Anyone have any questions about our new strategy? Comments? Anyone? Anyone?